Hi, little readers. Welcome back. It's Miss Ching, and we're going to deal with another sneaky digraph today. Why sneaky? Because there's... Exactly. Let's say it together. 2 letters, 1 sound. And before anything else, let's do our digraph rap. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this.
Angel on the track.
Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Digraphs, they're the key. 2 letters, 1 sound for you and me. Put them together and you'll see the light. In the world of reading, they make it right. Now, the 2 letters that form our digraph today are I and E. I and E. But together, they say I. Say it with me. I. Well done. The action is I. Like, aye, Captain. I. Do it? Okay, now let's sing it.
The captain said aye, the captain said aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye.
Very good. Okay, now, of course, I and E together is I. It's only 1 sound, so it's only 1 sound dot. Now let's look at some easy words that have I in them. I'll do the action and you can do it with me, and then you try to read it, okay? So again, we're going to use sound dots. Ready? First word is I. What is it? You're right, it's tie. Next word is I. What is it? Pie. Now let's have another word, easy one. I. Right, it's die. A little longer. So, lies. Well done. Little longer again, okay? So we have one more time. What is it? Fries. Okay, now this time you read it by yourself. I'll do the actions with you. Ready? Okay, so first word is one more time. So, what is it? Skies. Okay, now another one is one more time. Okay, try to sound them out. Flies. Right. Okay, now let's have another one. One more time. What is it? You're right. Cries. Cries. Now, let's have a little longer word, okay? So, you can do this. I know you can. Let's do this. So, first is It's long, but you can do this. Again. What is it? You're right. It's magpie. Magpie. And one last easy word, okay? Again. Hide. Hide. Okay, there you go. You're getting better and better all the time. I love it. And I hope you're loving this too. So if it's the first time you join us, then hit that like button or subscribe. For us who are always here, I'll see you in the next letter. No, next digraph. Bye!